Let me talk to you about the new and improved Les Mills Smart Step, the easy-to-use step for smarter and more effective workouts. This is an all-in-one integrated design. The risers are connected to the step for a quick and seamless setup. The click-to-rise system lets you easily adjust the height to 3 levels. Just pull the lever to lift or lower. Listen for the click to know that you've locked firmly in place. You can even use it on an incline, which is great for strength training. But just a heads up, jumping on the incline isn't recommended. The Les Mills Smart Step is lightweight and easy to move during your workout. When you're done, simply clip in the risers to store. It's compact enough to tuck away at home, or if you're in the studio, you can stack them up to 10 high. We also have single or double-sided racks with optional wheels for easy transport. The soft top mat feels great under your hands and is easy to wipe clean. Simply wash with water, mild dish soap, and a soft sponge. Then dry with a clean cloth. You are going to love the new Les Mills Smart Step. More functionality, more durability, more performance, so you can get more out of every step. For more information, visit lesmills.com or contact your local distributor.